In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your age on Tinder application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have a Tinder application on your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So first of all, and of course, after opening your Tinder application, that will be actually your home screen, you can decline people or even match with them. You can do whatever you want with this. Of course, you have here the explore options, which is recently added to any social media. It's like the explore on Twitter, in Instagram, or any other social right now. Of course, here we have the options to see the people who likes you, and of course here we have the option where you can actually start chatting with the people that you already matched with. So how you can actually hide your age on the Tinder application? It's simply by going to your profile here and clicking at your icon, which was here at the top left corner, of course. So after going and clicking on that, you will actually need to fill all this one to 100%. Of course, you can do that by clicking at edit profile, and of course add 9 pictures, because every picture like actually add 4%, and like add whatever other things has this percentage right to it. So as you can see here, we have some things here had some percentage on it, so make sure to add them all. And after finishing this 100%, you will be able to hide your age. It's simply by going to your edit profile again and scroll down into the last of this edit profile, and as you can see here, don't show my age option. Of course, if you want to enable that, you would like to pay for the Tinder Plus. As you can see here, you can choose your subscription like whatever you want, and then click at continue, then add your card number. Of course, if you don't have a card, you can just go and buy with Google Play instead, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.